Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is a Tuesday, February 10th. I'm going to take a look here at Lowe's. And this is a setup, a trade we got into earlier today that we are still in. I have 2/3 of my position on. We took off a third as we came into the 284 level. But it's a long in Lowe's based on this weekly chart and then also a breakout intraday. And what we're looking at here is we had this big consolidation pattern Lowe's has been trading inside of. We broke through it and then consolidated the last 3 weeks, and we're starting to break out of that 3-week brief consolidation again to the upside now. So Lowe's is looking really good. Our next step is we need to get through 285 level and then the 287 highs, and then we should be clear for a push all the way up to 300. And what we're trading right now are the $300 Cs for March expiration. So we wanted to give it time. We wanted to make sure that it had room to run, and we're letting them ride for the time being. And you can see here kind of where we're at. Again, you can see March $300 Cs from Lowe's. We're up 32% on the one ad, and then I added to it as I was moving our direction, or added up, averaged up, and those are only up about 11% so far. But looking good. Again, we've already taken off a third of the position and letting this continue, letting the rest ride for a bigger move to the upside. Again, next step is that 285 level to be broken, and then we're looking at 287, and then pushing to 300 for the next big target. So overall, not a bad looking trade setup here in Lowe's. I think we can get some more upside the rest of this week and potentially in the next week, but keep an eye on it. This is a good risk off play. We've been seeing money coming out of the big tech stocks and going into these blue chips, and seeing things like Lowe's and Home Depot and Walmart, etc., pushing higher. So overall, not a bad move. Looking good so far, and we'll stay in it and looking for that $300 test in the next couple of weeks. But that's it for now. And until next time, everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, if you want to get these trades with us live, we do this in the trading room. All you got to do is go to bctnow.com/join. There's a link in the description below. That's it for today. And until next time, everyone, happy trading.